Stakeholders in Negril are taking a business owner to task after beachgoers were denied access to a section of the 7 Mile beach earlier today as the area was fenced off. The man, who operates a scuba diving business, is said to have leased the property from the Urban Development Corporation UDC. The issue comes at a time when there is call for improved beach access for all. Kimberly Petty has the story.
Hotelier Winthrop Wellington went on his usual early morning jog Tuesday morning along the 7 Mile beach, but that was cut short when, to his surprise, a fence was erected which impeded his path. The hotelier said what the proprietor did was deeply troubling.
So when I see somebody put out a barbed wire fencing closing off the beach, the first thing I think is that, oh no, this is how it starts. And what I mean by that is that once somebody takes the liberty or given the authority or has the audacity to do something like that, then where does it stop? And is the next person or the next proprietor going to do the same thing? And next thing you know, we have a private beach here in Negril.
Negril is known for its beach, which spans 7 miles. Locals and tourists can be seen daily walking the beach freely.
I mean, I was extremely disturbed by this, and my first thought was like, how could somebody have the audacity to think that they could cut Negril Beach in half? Because this is, as far as I know, has always been a public beach and always will be a public beach that nobody can stop anybody from traversing it, going past, and nobody has the right to do that. This beach does not belong to anybody.
At least one stakeholder is praising Mr. Wellington for sounding the alarm.
I am very concerned about that because I think if somebody can come and just put up a barbed wire alongside a beach, a public area, then it's opening the floodgates for anybody else to come and do it.
TVJ News understands that the fencing has since been taken down by the authorities. We caught up with Diego Heaven, the man who erected the fence, but he had a different story. Mr. Heaven explained that he leased the property from UDC 3 years ago.
No. Our intention is never ever to lock anyone out from the beach. That's not our intention. We need people at the beach. I'm one Jamaican that will fight for local people to use the beach. What we're trying to do is protect our property. 2 weeks ago, they stole beach chair and paddle boards from the property. A few months ago, they broke the building. They stole all my regulators. Over $3.7 million worth of equipment were stolen from here. Saturday night gone, they stole my paddleboard again and my beach chair.
When contacted, a representative from the UDC asked us to provide a copy of Mr. Wellington's video about the concerns so the matter can be investigated. Up to news time, we were yet to receive a response. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.